I'm at one of the best Italian restaurants and I want to try this super delicious tiramisu. And if you're unable to go to restaurant with your beloved ones, it's okay, no problem. I can easily help you to make super delicious Italian dessert at home with love. Let's go! Hope you are doing great. Today we want to make a tiramisu together. First of all, we need mascarpone cheese. We want heavy cream for more creamy texture. I'm adding labneh cheese for having so delightful and light texture. I'm adding whipped cream. Also, we need cocoa powder, vanilla powder, and also you can add vanilla extract. No matter. This is our sugar powder. Well, all of you know we need the ladyfingers. First of all, I'm adding my creams and whip and whisk all of them together. This is our mascarpone cheese. You know, tiramisu refers to 1980s, and this is classic, delicious Italian dessert. And the meaning of that is pick me up. Why? Because with all of these ingredients, you can boost your energy and go up. We have mascarpone cheese, and after that we have labneh cheese, my favorite cheese. I added the labneh cheese, and next is our heavy cream. This is cream that you can find everywhere. So we need sugar powder. I have my cup, 80 ml. Powder sugar like this, but you can taste in the end. If we need more sweetness, we can add. This is our whipped cream or shanty cream, and vanilla powder. We mixed well, like this, as you see. Our texture would be so so creamy and so soft. We whisk it till to reach that texture. Look, this is so soft, creamy, and all the texture is the same, without any bubble, without any bulky texture. Now I want to try it. We need little thicker than this texture, look. I think we should add another packet of whipped cream. Because you know why? Because this tiramisu recipe is without egg. This is eggless. And we need more thicker layer. We need more thicker texture of our cream. Because of that, I prefer adding 2 packets of whipped cream. It depends on you. Because in the procedure you can see how it's going on. For example, now I'm seeing that the texture is little loosey, it's not so much thick. Then I'm adding another packet. Well, I think I should add more sugar. Okay, let's see step by step. I'm adding another packet of shanty cream or whipped cream, little bit of sugar powder, only half cup I add. Ooh, look at the texture. Let me try the sweetness. It's amazing. Okay, I put it aside now. I forgot to mention that we need strong brewed coffee for soaking off our lady fingers inside of that. Well, let's see, and let's make our strong brewed coffee. Okay, our coffee is ready. I'm pouring here like this. I want to soaking up these lady fingers in the coffee. We don't soak off so much, only 1 second, and we put it in our plate. Okay. After that, we should add 1 layer of our cream. Only 1 tiny layer, not so much thick. We cover all of our lady fingers. Put another layer of our lady fingers. 1 layer more. Another layer of cream. We're continuing. Now tiramisu is ready to go to refrigerator for resting 3 or 4 hours. After that, we take it back. We add cocoa powder on top of that for serving. Well, after 3 hours resting, I took my tiramisu out of the refrigerator and want to sprinkle cocoa powder on top of that. Let's start it. This is my cocoa powder, and now I sprinkle it in this area on top of my tiramisu. You can add more or less, it's up to you. You should cover all of the surface of your tiramisu. I try to cover this white spots. This is our final product. I put it back in the refrigerator for around approximately 15 minutes more, and after that we serve it together. This is our tiramisu. We want to serve it now. Wow, look at my tiramisu. The texture is so amazing with this super delicious fruity tea. Wow, it was so amazing. I can tell you absolutely, it was 100 times more delicious than I had in that restaurant. I suggest you to make this super delicious tiramisu at home with a lot of love. See you!